Alright, so this is my uh, video review for Project 2. I felt really good about this paper. It was a lot easier to write about something other than myself, like in the first assignment. And it was a really interesting documentary too, so that made it easy as well. I feel I did a good job. I think I was able to get my point across pretty easily, actually, and write a fairly coherent paper. Yeah. Uh, what I'd want readers to take away from my paper, I guess, is that you can't just if you're making a documentary or something, I guess, or something like that, you can't just present your evidence. That's logos, but that's not going to persuade anybody. You gotta Just presenting the facts isn't going to persuade anybody. You gotta add in credibility in the ethos, and then tie in that person's emotions. It's going to make them feel a lot more strongly about your argument, positively or negatively. I don't know. Hopefully positively if you're trying to make an argument for something. But like you, if you can't have one and expect you can't have one of ethos, logos, or pathos and expect whatever you're making to do well, because it needs all three to do well. Especially in a documentary setting, you need ethos so that people believe you. You need logos so that people will agree with you, and you need pathos so that they'll feel connected to it and passionate about it. Uh, so my peer reviewers gave me some good feedback. See, William said to put in a section on ethos, and then to elaborate on how the producer convinces his audience of the importance of the message and what specific elements aid in that. I did that when, let's see, let's find it. So the first paragraph after the introduction, I added after that, which addresses ethos and credibility, and then the conclusion kind of tied it all together, like he was saying to do, audience and the importance of his message and what specific elements aid in that. And so I chose to take that and incorporate that kind of into what I was doing for the conclusion. What in your opinion? So what I think I could improve on most, I think still is probably like flow of the paper, maybe word choice. I don't know. I think the paper flows well, but I don't know if it would to other people, you know. So yeah. And what do I like most about this paper? What I like most about this paper is probably just the argument I made, or the argument I made being clear, and it wasn't even really an argument made. It was just me pointing out what the documentary did. But if I had to choose like a specific thing, I would choose the see, this is the third paragraph. The paragraph discussing pathos. That's the longest paragraph, and I think it's a pretty well written paragraph, honestly. And I think I improved a lot from the first one just because the topic of this one wasn't as weird for me. And by weird, I mean it wasn't about me, so it was a lot easier to write about. But yeah, this was a fun paper to write, and I don't usually say that papers are fun to write. So yeah.